don't turn in there. You don't want to, no, you don't want to turn in there. It's a one-way, bro. Dude, you can sort of see it in my side mirror here. I'm gonna let it focus. I'm gonna let it focus, and there it is. This man has put someone's face, or maybe his own face, on the wrap of his Range Rover. Let's flip a Yui and take a quick gander. Well, guys, I just got back to Los Angeles, and I'm not really sure what I'm looking at. I think this dude's put his entire face on a Range Rover as the wrap. Okay. That's something I've never seen ever before. So, all right, it just gets even weirder. We got the Lexus NX Y body kit going on here. I mean, it looks all right. It's pretty cool. There you go. We're entering Beverly Hills, and whoa, we got a whole wedding. Got the bridesmaids and everything. Hey! Jesus! Trying to interrupt my goddamn vlogging, son. Guys, we're off to a bad start here. What's this guy? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. Alright guys, we made it to Los Angeles, Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. We got this Aventador S. It's got a wing on top of a wing. Nice. So Beverly Hills is doing this thing from August 2nd to the 25th. It's called Bold Beverly Hills. All the stores are open a little bit later. I think it's conducive to some good old fuck voyage. So they got the speakers out. Everyone sat over there. Case in point. We're gonna have a sit down and see what we see, guys. The Rock and the American Muscle. We got the 4GT and we got the CTSV wagon. I almost bought one of these a couple years ago in a light blue. It's a limited edition, and we got the Mustang. Dude, America, son. Look at this. Oh yeah. The purple G-Wagon. It's not quite chrome. It's I can't really think. I don't think my camera's picking up the color correctly. That's really weird. He's confiscating a scooter right now. Apparently, scooters, Lime and Birds, are banned for 6 months. $180 to $190 ticket with no helmet. Look at that. He's got a stack of them. He's got like 10 of them in there. I was like, dude, it's a man in strap with a massive wing and a diffuser. Oh my goodness.
We have kids here, and it's just...
He's currently calling the non-emergency number because they're playing this music in this fucking speaker. I can't even hear myself think. What do they say? What does it say?
She says there is an information booth at Brighton and Rodeo,
okay,
where I can complain about the volume of the music. There's
an
no
information booth?
There's no such booth.
We can go look.
What a fugazi.
He's trying to unplug the subwoofer. Oh, they locked it down.
Hey, everybody.
And we're in front of our favorite store, Saint Laurent. Not because of the clothes, because there's tables here, and of course, the AC right here as well. So on a hot day, we're rolling. Check out this guy with his dog. Oh my goodness. Now that's a dog spot. Hold on, he's gonna come around here. Wait for it. And then zoom in, and boom. AMG GTR. Nice. It's probably the chrome one, and right on cue, it is. And the Gotti. That's his body car right there. Yeah, look at this. Now we're rolling. So look at this. The wheels, dude. Rolling. Ultimate motorcycle flex. The winners lineup here. We got the Evoque convertible. There's the V6 F-Type and a first-gen California. Whoa. Nice. That's a pretty sick spot. Roadster. Rocking it hard. Got the electric Stradman Tesla with a ski box. Look at it. Yeah. That's pretty clean. There's only one way to do Rodeo Drive, through the fucking sunroof. Bam. Whoa. Dude, people getting excited. There's an event store behind the pickup truck. Hey, there they are. I don't know who they are. There's the event store. Hey. Oh,
Yeah, that guy Arno.
oh yeah, that caber, bro.
Fuck yeah!
That's pretty sick. Yeah. Let's hear it. Yeah. You didn't even have to like go fast. It's so fucking loud. BHPD. He just did a massive U-turn. The M5 just did a pull. Oh. Opening Beverly Hills later at night, playing music with the you know, the lights and everything. It's conducive to fuckboy behavior. So ooh, he's right on his ass. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he's pissed. Oh. All right, summer is in full effect. Tourist o'clock is officially over. It is now semi-Arab o'clock, and we got the car pulled over around the corner, so we're gonna take a quick peek, see what's going on, guys. This truck is blocking my way, guys. I'm gonna meander my way through here. Oh. He just turned on the car and he's revving it. I think they're checking if it's like a stock exhaust or modified exhaust. I don't know. This is not good. Shit. They're trying to nail this guy for everything. But I think they're popping the hood right now. So they had him rev the car to see if it's a legal exhaust. Quite possibly popping the hood right now. He's figuring out. Yeah, he's trying to find the little trigger point. But what's that little latch? It's like a latch, right?
Older BMWs had the latch. The newer ones have
Oh no. Dude, these cops are getting a hard on over like a modified exhaust. Dude, the guy did like one little pull. He did a flip the Yui, and dude, the rest is history. Checking for illegal exhaust, mods. What's going on? Who's honking over there? Jesus, come on. There it is. Scare taxes from the Beverly Hills Police. They let the guy go with a warning. Locked out. Lady Luck is on his side tonight. My goodness. Why do I have a feeling that something's about to go down at the light here? Hold on. It's a trio of fuckboys. Oh my god, that's so loud. They better check his exhaust, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, the cop. No, because he was revving earlier. But the cop, I don't know, man.
Or that Mustang.
All right. I don't know. This is getting pretty dodgy. Ooh, it's like the countdown, bro. Oh. Oh! Fuck me running. There it is. Oh, don't turn in there. You don't want to. No, you don't want to turn in there. It's a one-way, bro. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, that's embarrassing. He What the heck? Whoa, no. Should we check it out? Let's go, let's check it out. Oh man, dude, that sucks. Oh, there you go. He managed to back it up. There you go. Oh. Dude, gotta be careful, man. I think this guy was revving further down Rodeo and the cop flipped a U-turn and it's game over, baby. I think this guy is just gonna get a warning. I don't know. Dude, we got the air version of Stradman rolling around in the white 570 coupe, but I don't know why he got pulled over. It's not looking too good. I thought he was gonna get a warning, but yikes. Jeez. This guy with the headlights right here, you better bounce, dude. Ooh, you're gonna get in trouble, boy. Check out this. Whoa. Yellow. The guy just stepped out of the car. I think that, dude, I think they're gonna tow the car. Dude, I don't know. Ooh, no license? Either one of them? Scratch that, guys. The passenger just swapped with the driver. It's all good. They got a warning. No way. Locked out.